Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Deividas again. Welcome back. Today we are continuing on our little small crazy project called vpnhead.com. Please do not look at my messy desktop here. Okay, so this is our backend, Java, Spring Boot. This is our front end, React and JavaScript. And this is our little project. So yesterday we fight with it's not working. Yesterday we did some fighting with AI. It wasted our 37 minutes and loading articles. Okay, here we go. And actually, yeah, we totally wasted 37 minutes, and then we stopped, and then I said, okay, let me do it manually. And in 5 minutes, I accomplished what AI couldn't finish in 37 minutes. So let's go to this page here. So yesterday we, instead of having one piece of text here, we made paragraphs. We added like 5 lines of code, and now we have paragraphs. It's still ugly. We'll work on that later, but right now at least we have a little less ugly than it was before. And then our slider works properly well. Today we're gonna add a quick addition. Nobody likes reading articles without nice pictures, or even not nice pictures, any pictures. We need pictures here. We need eye candy. Since long time ago, people always included pictures or any drawings in the in the books. So we should, in 21st century, we should do the same. So what we're gonna do is this is basically a front end, and the back end or the article itself is stored in the database, MySQL database. Technically, we could store our images in the database, but usually it's a bad practice. Bad practice because images are heavy, and to grab them from the database takes a lot of memory, and it slows down things, and it's not, unless it's absolutely necessary. Usually it's not done that way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna utilize a cloud. We're gonna store images on the cloud, and we'll take them from the cloud and put in our articles. You can. There are a few options. Okay. There are one more option. You can put pictures on your server. So maybe that's the more convenient way to put, because this project will be stored on the server, and in particular on Iono server. I'm gonna store it. So many developers store pictures inside the same server. In my case, I have very limited amount of memory on that server. So I will not store my images on the server. I will store them on different cloud. I will you can store on Google Cloud, but I'm fighting with Google Cloud right now because they overcharged me for something. So till we'll become friends again, I will use somebody else. I will use a company called Cloudinary. How about that? I never used them before, so this will be my first time when I will use them. But they have a free tier, which I love, and it will be more than enough. It will give us 25 gigabytes of memory, and for this small project will be more than enough. So let's start with the free version, and if we'll need more, maybe we'll add more in the future when this app will be the most popular app in North America, and I'll buy a Ferrari. And this is how we are signing up, and this is not signing up. Okay, now we are in. Let's go. My computer is slow today. Maybe it's still mad at me from yesterday fighting with Cloud artificial intelligence. What is your main interest? Oh, let's do coding, of course. Okay, let's do it. So, what I need right now, I will need only... Okay, I see. So, it's very good Cloud because I can see that it has different APIs already where you can use them instantly. Mostly probably for uploading pictures, because if I wanna just store pictures and grab them and show on my website, I don't need this code. I just need to put my images on this Cloud, and then I need to get URL and put that URL inside my code. So what we're gonna do is upload. Okay, here. Right now, let's see. So because we're gonna work on this article right here. Let's see. This the future of VPNs. Okay, emerging trends, technological evolution. Okay, let's have one. How about 2 images? Well, one image will have will be just the basic general images. We're gonna generate them. Let's generate them Gemini. How about? I'm still mad at Google, but let's maybe try changing our relationship. The future. Okay, let's put generate image, generate 2 images. And let's see if Google is mad at me or not. If it's not mad, then it will generate nice pictures. If it's mad, it probably will not generate anything. Okay, generated 1 picture instead of 2, which means it's a little bit mad still probably. Let's go here, generate image. Let's see. I'm using the same prompt. We'll see how different are the images. The same prompt. This mostly is for the testing purposes right now, so we don't need. Okay. So this one is nicer than the other one, but I'll use both. Okay, let's save on the desktop. Let's see if I have a folder for my, oh yeah, VPN head. Okay, and I even have the images folder full of images. Let's create articles. future VPN 1. Let's go back. Let's save. Future VPN 2. I'm not sure about the licensing. Google created those images, so can I use them on my website? I don't know, but I'll use them anyway. It's not monetizing anything yet, so hopefully Google will not penalize me for that. Okay, I saved images. Let me upload images on this Cloudinary app. Browse. Let's go to desktop. Let's go to VPN head. Let's go to images, articles. One. Okay. Where are you? Oh. Continue later. And then upload to Opa. So I should have some more 2 images that I wanna use. Here we go. Now, done. Here we go. Okay. So if I want to use this image, access public. Okay. So this is a public share. Copy URL, open and okay, that's it. So we did almost everything here. Let's go back. Okay, so now we have a pictures stored on cloud. We can access them from, let's see, another browser. Yep. So I can access my pictures from anywhere in the world if I have internet connection. Now I need to upload them. When my article starts, I want to see them inside the article. How can we do that? We don't know how to do that. Let's ask. What should we ask? Okay, yesterday we had bad experience with cloud, so let's ask ChatGPT. How to embed in site okay, how to embed image URL inside when it's okay. This is my article in MySQL. So what I will show to ChatGPT, I'll show article. Okay. I'll give entire article. Okay. Now let us Let's do this. Let me get this one more time. Okay. Let me this URL. Okay. Just after, let's embed this. Just after first paragraph. And here is React file. Displays which displays the article. Let's go here, article. So after yesterday's experience, I give 20% chance that it will be correct this time. Okay, to embed image within contain display after the version, you will need to modify both SLS and React component. Yes, that was our idea. Here's how to achieve MySQL. Okay. Let's see if it put the URL after the first. No. Oh, here we go. Why it put at the end of the... It put the image at the end, which is okay for our... For right now it's fine. We can change it later. I'm just wondering why it did it. I asked after the first paragraph. Okay. So that's fine. I will do it manually. Again, manually. It always works. Now React, modify React, and then add this to scroll. Now, okay, index 0. Okay, now I see. Okay, so what it does, sorry, I'm doing this first time in my life, so that's why I'm making those pauses here and reading with you and studying this code, and that's very unprofessional, you know. Okay, so the quick explanation to everyone who does not understand what's happening here. So basically it checks index 0. So it means, I guess, after the first paragraph, it puts this image. Probably, I'm not sure. It looks weird. Okay, let's do it. Let's try and let's... No, but that doesn't make any sense, because... So this is my component. This component is used for every article that is and will be on the articles page, and it cannot be hard coded into the code, because another article will have the same picture or something. No, that's not. Let the component okay, let me ask ChatGPT why the image URL is hard coded into the component component, and it will say, I'm sorry, great question. So okay, here we go. Okay, now it changed its mind. A better, more dynamic solution. Of course, we want a better, more dynamic solution. Yes, insert. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do actually. That was our idea. Okay, after first paragraph changed, we're gonna put the okay, and then render. Okay, so we gonna insert URL. Oh, no. The URL will be in the article in SQL. Give me entire component which will render. Okay, so now it will give me entire React component. We'll check if it is correct. Another question, why it's not, where is the article? Article, I think it's missing the what we did yesterday. I think it's not doing this trim, paragraph trim. We need article to be in paragraphs. I don't see paragraph trim here. Nope. Okay, that's working with AI. Very good. It means it will not replace us anytime soon. This is my article. X modify for display. Let's see what we'll get now. I still don't see paragraphs. Does this code so I don't trust AI. So I don't see this. Correct the modifier. Yes. Okay, so it made my code a little bit shorter, but my database does not work. Okay. 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 So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play along, and we'll modify our database to work with this code. So we'll ask AI to do this simple thing. Modify this text to work with modified component and insert the URL. Okay, so we gave all old article in which the paragraphs were separated by an ends. Oh man, no. Again, I can see a little yesterday's story. AI is taking wrong road here. Instead of taking a nice freeway, it took some kind of side unpaved road. How to insert this into the MySQL. Let's see if I can even insert this into MySQL. Yep. How engineer so it is not doing well. Basically, if we want to insert this into database, we need to modify a lot of things. Give me entire. Okay, so this is what we're gonna insert. Oh, wow, yep, I really smelled yesterday's frustration with the AI. So now it gives me a completely different thing. So it just dances between whatever it thinks is happening, but I'm asking completely different question, and I get completely a couple different answers here. Okay, so we need to go back again. we need to modify this question right here. I want component to work with my article formatting. Where I use okay, I think so I need this one. I don't need, so I need this to be in the component, but also and if there is a URL inside the article such as this, okay, let's do it. So I asked to leave the old code as is to old images. And okay, so we still have the same thing here. Okay, very good. So what we're gonna do is okay, let's go to our database. Here we go. Let's add here this. And doesn't will it work? Nope. I cannot insert article. Okay. Okay, for easier what AI is good with is for creating them data. Okay, instead of this article, create another similar one. Let's see if it will understand. Okay, yeah, it does. Okay, so it created another article, and yes, I have my ends. Okay, let's go here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert one more article. Also, what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert image. Insert image. Here. And shoot. Why I insert into articles? Table online by oh, maybe no. Yes. Okay. Okay. So what I did, I created another value inside the database table, VPN head database. Okay. And then now let's go back to our React file. Let's comment entire file here, and let's trust ChatGPT maybe, and see what if ChatGPT's file works. Okay, okay, and ladies and gentlemen, so I think this is this one's. What article we created? We created the role of VPNs, digital privacy benefits. Okay. The role of VPNs. The role of VPNs. Oh, here we go. Yes, success. Okay. And so, ladies and gentlemen, after I'm not sure how many minutes, probably 30 minutes again or more. So we created now finally an article with the image. So what we did is we opened an account in this beautiful Cloudinary website, cloud basically, where you can store your images. We stored 2 of our images here, but probably you can also borrow their images. I don't know about their licensing ideas. Can you use or not? I'm pretty sure the images that I created on Gemini, I can use those. Yeah, they have the watermark AI in the corner. So yeah, I created those images on Gemini. I just put create future, and it created future for me. And then what we did, we added HTMLs or or links to the pictures inside the database article, inside the article in the database, where I can put just a URL, simple URL, and my React file, when it sees that this is URL, here we go, this line of code, basically, if it sees HTTPS and something after that, then it knows that this is image URL, and then it displays as an image. And that's it. And again, our website is ugly, but we little by little are making it more and more clear to users. We'll have to, of course, make this image smaller, and that's it. So we did today. Today we didn't. Well, we fight it only a little bit with the AI, but today AI was more friendly than yesterday. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good day. Bye bye.